Today, I am reviewing Sonos Beam Gen 2. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking to bring your home entertainment setup to life with powerful, room-filling sound, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is easily one of the best soundbars in its category. This compact yet incredibly capable soundbar blends elegant design, advanced audio technology, and seamless smart features, creating an experience that feels both cinematic and effortless. Let's dive in and explore what makes the Sonos Beam Gen 2 a true standout in the world of premium soundbars. Right off the bat, the design is classic Sonos, clean, minimalistic, and built to blend in beautifully with any living space. The model I'm reviewing here is the black variant, which looks sleek and modern, with a matte finish that gives it a premium, understated vibe. Despite its compact size, just about 26 inches wide and under 3 inches tall, this soundbar packs a serious punch in both power and presence. Inside, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 delivers up to 200 watts of output, producing crystal-clear audio that can easily fill a medium to large-sized room. It features a frequency response down to 50.4 Hz, giving you rich, deep bass that complements clear highs and balanced mids. What's especially impressive is how Sonos has managed to fit such powerful drivers into a small enclosure while maintaining clarity even at high volumes. One of the most exciting upgrades with the Beam Gen 2 is its Dolby Atmos support. If you're not familiar, Dolby Atmos creates a three-dimensional sound experience. Instead of sound coming just from the front or sides, it feels like it's coming from above and all around you. Watching action movies, sports events, or even nature documentaries feels incredibly immersive. Explosions have more depth, dialogue feels perfectly centered, and background sounds, like rain, footsteps, or wind, feel truly lifelike. And here's the best part. Sonos achieves this 3D surround experience without needing extra upward-firing speakers. Using advanced audio processing and precise tuning, the Beam Gen 2 virtually simulates the surround and height channels to make you feel like you're sitting in the middle of the action. Another highlight of the soundbar is its TruePlay tuning technology. During setup, Sonos uses your smartphone's microphone to analyze the acoustics of your room, whether it's an open living area or a cozy bedroom, and automatically fine-tunes the sound to deliver optimal performance. That means no matter where you place it, you're getting balanced, tailored sound quality. Setting up the Beam Gen 2 is also refreshingly simple. It only takes two cables, one for power and one HDMI cable connected to your TV. And thanks to HDMI eARC support, you get high-quality audio transmission with zero lag or loss in detail. If your TV doesn't support HDMI eARC, Sonos includes an optical adapter in the box, so you're covered either way. When it comes to smart functionality, Sonos has you fully covered. You can control the Beam Gen 2 using the Sonos app, your TV remote, Apple AirPlay 2, or even your voice through Alexa and Google Assistant. That means you can adjust volume, switch inputs, play your favorite playlist, or even ask about the weather, all hands-free. The versatility extends beyond TV and movies. When your TV is off, the Beam Gen 2 becomes a full-fledged wireless speaker system. You can stream music, podcasts, radio, and audiobooks from all your favorite services, including Spotify, Apple Music, and Amazon Music. With Wi-Fi and Ethernet connectivity, you can count on stable and seamless streaming without interruptions. And if you're already in the Sonos ecosystem, the Beam Gen 2 integrates beautifully with other Sonos speakers. You can easily expand your setup into a full multi-room audio system or pair it with Sonos One surrounds and a Sonos sub for true 5.1 surround sound. The modular design means you can start small and upgrade over time, creating a personalized system that grows with you. In terms of build, the Beam Gen 2 is constructed using high-quality polycarbonate materials that feel durable yet lightweight, weighing just under 3 kilograms. It's designed to sit elegantly on a shelf or a TV stand, but you can also wall mount it for a cleaner look. Now, let's talk about performance in real-world use. Watching movies like Top Gun, Maverick, or Avatar feels absolutely thrilling. The Atmos effects pull you into the environment, while dialogue remains crisp and perfectly centered, even during chaotic action sequences. For music, The Beam Gen 2 maintains balance and warmth. You can clearly hear vocals, instrument separation, and smooth bass tones without distortion. Another small but welcome feature is night sound mode, which reduces loud effects and enhances speech clarity. Perfect for late-night viewing. Combine that with speech enhancement mode, and you'll never miss a single word of dialogue. Of course, no product is perfect. The Beam Gen 2 doesn't include a dedicated subwoofer, so if you're a deep bass enthusiast, you might want to add a Sonos sub later on. Also, while it supports Dolby Atmos, it doesn't handle DTS audio formats, which may matter to some users. But for most streaming platforms and home setups, this won't be a deal breaker. Overall, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is a remarkable soundbar that delivers a premium audio experience in a compact, user-friendly package. From its Dolby Atmos cinematic sound to its voice control and sleek design, it's a soundbar that fits beautifully into both minimalist and high-tech home setups. If you want to enhance your entertainment, simplify your setup, and experience sound that feels alive, the Sonos Beam Gen 2 is absolutely worth the investment. Whether it's movie nights, gaming sessions, or streaming your favorite playlists, this soundbar ensures that everything you hear is rich, detailed, and immersive.